mesmerizing and inspiring. Dear automotive enthusiasts, we invite you to join our vibrant community as we dive into the extraordinary legacy of the 1979 Ford Thunderbird, a symbol of American ingenuity that has evolved through the decades. Born in a time when design and performance converged, the Thunderbird has been cherished for its distinctive style and innovative engineering. Over the course of these iconic years, modifications had been thoughtfully applied to enhance both form and function. It was originally designed to capture hearts, with its bold silhouette and progressive features, and each subsequent model was reimagined to embody a blend of classic aesthetics and modern advancements. During the late 70s, the Thunderbird underwent a series of pivotal transformations. Earlier models had showcased raw power and unbridled performance, while later versions were refined with improvements in aerodynamics, suspension, and engine tuning. The exterior was gracefully sculpted, the once rugged lines being softened into elegant curves that resonated with fans of timeless design. The interior was meticulously reworked into a sanctuary of comfort and style. Sumptuous leather seats, a driver-oriented dashboard, and advanced instrumentation were incorporated to provide an experience that was both luxurious and exhilarating. It is noted that restorations have been performed over the years, ensuring that every cherished detail has been preserved or enhanced to meet modern standards. Presently, collectors have witnessed the Thunderbird transform into a coveted classic, with its latest market price estimated at approximately $4,000 for a well-maintained example. The vehicle has been admired in countless automotive shows and enthusiast gatherings, where its storied history and exceptional craftsmanship were celebrated. As past trends have influenced current restorations, future modifications are anticipated to further elevate status among vintage car collectors. Every element of the 1977-1979 Ford Thunderbird has been lovingly curated. From its groundbreaking design to its enduring performance, we encourage you to join our thriving community and explore every facet of this automotive legend that continues to captivate minds and inspire generations. Embrace the legacy, celebrate its evolution, and be part of an ongoing journey where history meets modern innovation in a spectacular display of automotive brilliance. Reflecting on its illustrious past and promising future, this model has continuously enchanted collectors and casual drivers alike. Innovations have been embraced while classic details have been preserved, ensuring that every journey is filled with excitement and nostalgia. The enduring charm of the 1977-1979 Ford Thunderbird stands as a testament to automotive excellence, inspiring admiration now and in the decades to come. Join us as legend endures.